Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a product that seems to promise the world. It's the OrreNaturals Hair Revival Ampoule.
Right.
And the big question we're asking is, are the claims, we're talking a total scalp refresh, fuller hair really fast, are they for real? Or is this just, a little too perfect?
Well, that suspicion is a good place to start, honestly, because when you first land on their website, you're hit with this wall of dramatic before and after.
Oh yeah, tons of photos and so many glowing comments.
Exactly. But here's the first red flag we have to point out for you. All of those 5-star reviews, they're coming from their own website. And when the only praise is self-hosted, you really, you have to hit the brakes and decide to dig a little deeper.
Okay, so let's do that. Let's dig deeper because this is where it gets kind of fascinating. You'd think with that kind of aggressive marketing, the formula might be fluff. But when we actually looked at the ingredient list, it's surprisingly solid. The science seems to be doing more work than the ad copy, if that makes sense.
It makes perfect sense. They're not just using filler here. They've actually included things that are genuinely good for your scalp and hair.
Like what?
Well, you've got salicylic acid, which is, fantastic for clearing out all that gunk and product buildup from the follicles.
Right. Gives the scalp a clean slate.
Exactly. And then they've got things like panthenol for moisture and even some proteins that are designed to make the hair feel stronger, right away.
So the chemistry is sound. It seems like no matter what, even if you don't get this miraculous transformation, the product should at least make your scalp feel cleaner and your hair may be a bit healthier. So as just a basic upgrade to your routine, it seems valid.
It is. We were actually impressed enough with the formula that we immediately started looking for some outside opinions, some real-world proof.
And this is where we found the big, kind of glaring missing piece of the puzzle.
It really is.
So what happened when we looked for that messy, real-world feedback on a site like, say, Trustpilot?
We found absolutely nothing. Zero. For a product with this much marketing push, with ingredients that look this good on paper, we could not find a single independent review from a regular person. Not one.
Wait, hold on. Zero. That's almost more shocking than finding a bunch of bad reviews.
Isn't it?
If the ingredients are solid and the ads are everywhere, why is no one talking about it? What does that total silence actually mean for someone thinking about buying this?
And that's the key takeaway for you right there. This gap, this silence, it just confirms that a wider consumer opinion hasn't been formed yet. It doesn't mean the product is bad, not at all.
Okay.
But it does mean that you, as the buyer, are basically an early tester. You're putting your faith entirely in the brand's own claims and the potential of that ingredient list.
So the bottom line for you is this. It's a calculated risk. The brand looks good. The ingredients are definitely reasonable for improving scalp health. But if you're going in expecting that big transformation they're selling, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment because there's just no public track record.
So if you just want to add some good science-backed ingredients to your routine, it could be worth a try. But if you're chasing that promise of instant, dramatic results, you're betting on potential, not on proven results.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on. If a product has impressive science-backed ingredients on the label, but zero independent reviews out in the wild, where do you place your trust? Do you trust the chemistry on the bottle, or do you trust the silence from the crowd? That's a choice only you can make.